Welcome to Suntech Computer and Application Setting. Today, I will teach you how to protect your browser from unauthorized access. And this time around, we're going to use Google Chrome. You click on the Web Store, extension, you click on this black icon here, browser lock. You click on it, install, add extension. Okay, the extension has been added. You click on this, you pin it above here, it has to be here. So now you install the application to protect your browser. You're going to enter password, confirm, and click save. Once you do that, the browser will be closed and you have to come back to put it again. You're going to ask you for the password. So the browser is open now. So this is how you protect your browser using extension. Protecting browser is very important because you have a lot of bookmarks that are important to you. The browser don't want another person to have access to. You have different profiles, Chrome profiles. You install the browser protection on each of the profile that you want to protect. Okay, any other profile that you want people to access freely, you leave that without installing the extension there. But any profile that you want to have it privately for yourself because of the things you have there, you need to protect it from unauthorized access. So you install this extension to protect it. So it's very easy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this program, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.